everybody, this is a tutorial on how I would do this look if I was the final girl in the Wrong Turn movie from 2003. Of course, the final girl in the Wrong Turn movie was, the original Wrong Turn movie was Jessie Burlingame. She was played by Eliza Dushku. Beautiful, love the look. She was totally natural. The hair was just inspired by her because it's super easy, like tousled curls. And the face, because she has like McMinimum makeup on in the movie, I decided to go ahead and do a look with McMinimum makeup. So this look is inspired by Lindsay Lohan at one of the Mean Girls premieres. This is a little Y2K, a little super easy, sunny, beachy on the skin with a half lash and just a little bit of eyeliner on the top lid. So easy. If you recreate it, let me know, of course. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and all that other shit. Bye. Okay, this look is very minimal, like I mentioned. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is start off with what I personally like to use when I'm doing like natural skin, the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist. Then I go into the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation and I put that on like a cream or lotion. I find that that gives a nice, even but natural coverage. I'm not putting on much at all. And then all I do for concealer under the eye is just put a touch of a lighter version of the Lumi foundation. And for foundation and everything, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go into blush and bronzer. But for powder, I use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And that is just to set everything, to mattify everything down. Because I do not want there to be any tackiness on the face where hair is getting stuck in it. I hate that. So that's that lighter foundation color that I mentioned. And it's not much lighter. It's just like a little dab lighter. Then I'm tapping that loose powder all over the face. And I will drag my fingers back over it to make sure that there is no spots that I missed. And then I dust it off, of course. For bronzer, I'll be using the Lottie London Sun Catcher Sun Kissed Bronzer. And for blush, I'll be using the Lottie London Haze Ombre Blush. They were both sent to me, but I really like them, so I'm continuing to use them. The bronzer is a lovely color. I really like it. And we're wanting something that's super natural, so I'm going ahead and applying it in the sockets of my eyes, along the perimeter of my face, on my nose. I did also do my eyebrows. I forgot. L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, my favorite brow product. It's like a direct dupe for the P. Louise eyebrow pencil. And then I'm using the Lottie London Haze Ombre Blush. Loves this blush. I'm not using any highlighter or anything for the eyes. All I'm doing is putting on the Tennice Divine Kalo Kajal Pencil. I believe this is from an Ipsy bag, but honestly, you can use any black eyeliner and then just blend it out with your finger. So easy. And resetting those under eyes to make sure that everything is set, because it did not feel set. And I'm taking a little bit of the bronzer and just adding that onto the crease to concentrate the color there. Further blending out that bronzer down the neck, making sure that everything is nice and seamless and blended. The lips are super easy as well too. Before I got onto that, I did do another layer of the black eyeliner just to make sure that it was really impactful. And for the eyelashes, all I did was curl, and then I used the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara, and I put on a half lash. I wanted it to be very natural. I did touch the inner of the half lash with some of the e.l.f. H2O Proof eyeliner pen to make sure that it blended in with my natural lashes, and you'll see why I did that. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner with the Hello Kitty Kiwi Lip Smacker. I actually love this lip smacker. The Hello Kitty collection of lip smackers is really good. The one where it's her head with the red tube, and it's like a lip balm, but it's like a little bit of a colored lip balm. It's so good. I actually don't even, I use that over my Burt's Bees, my Laneige, my P. Louise, my Jeffree Star. I use that over all of them. So just dabbing that eyeliner on the inner, just to blend in those lashes. And for hair, we're going to put on that wig, and we are going to curl it. It's so easy. We're just going to curl every which way but loose. So we're going to curl away from our face, towards our face. We don't want it to be uniform. We want it to be like Eliza Dushku in that movie, and just kind of all over the place, messy and sexy. Sassy and messy. And I will lay down a touch of the front to hide the lace, because the lace is a little buck wild on this. It's like really light, and you know, if it's really light for my skin, it's really light because I'm very fair. And when you're done this, honestly, all you do is you take your hands and you just run it through, flip it upside down. Like I said, messy, sassy, all that other stuff like that. And I did have this wig straightened for a very long time. So that's why it's more straight texture at the top. But I liked it like that. And it was hung up on my wall, so it was standing up on edge at the root, so I just flattened those down, but they didn't even flatten that much. But regardless, I thought it was cunty. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.